Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video. So you can understand it in a better way, friends, okay? And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that friends you get confused, okay? And before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can do one thing. You can directly follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. It's ABHIMANYU BHA 1906, friends. Okay. And okay, so in our last video we have covered the topic, friends, called what are the things that create negative karma. So this was the topic which I covered. So in this video I'm going to cover the topic called how does a person pay off their karma on earth. So this is the topic which I'm going to cover, friends. Okay. So and this video number is 142 and the name of the topic is how does a person pay off their karma on earth. So let's see what Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Here are few guidelines on how to pay off karma. Accept the problem, whatever the obstacle, make sure you don't run away from it. So here Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri that in your life, whatever obstacle you have, understand that obstacle and do not run away from that obstacle. Face your problem with bravely, with a smile, face your problem. See what obstacles you have in your life, but do not run away from the obstacle, and definitely that obstacle will go from your life, friends. Okay. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Then have a sincere and genuine desire to change the situation and deal with it well. So we should always have a genuine intention in our heart that whatever situation we are facing in the life, we will solve it and we will deal our situation in very positive and a better way, friends. Okay. This is next point. After that, understand that this is what you have chosen in the spirit world for your own growth, or it is a result of the choice you made in your present life. So understand whatever today is happening in your life, this is the reason because you have selected this in the spirit world for your spiritual growth, and this are or in your present life you have chosen this karma. So this is happening, this is not happening, your life is not by, it's by choice, it's not by chance. You are living this life by choice, not by chance, friends. So understand, right? So do not break off if some there is wrong situation in life. No, the time will go, situation will pass, and you will overcome from it, friends, right? Testing and training are opportunity for growth that will help you to improve. So all this testing and trainings are our opportunity for our growth, and this is going to improve in our life, friends. So don't worry, okay? When you understand why things happen, your resistance to them is lower and you are no longer negative about your problem. So when you understand, friends, why this thing is happening to you, that time though your resistance to that problem is lower, then no longer you face it a problem, you face it a positive challenge and you overcome it in a very positive manner, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Try to think of every obstacle as a test. So we should think every obstacle as a test in our life. Okay. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. If you fail the test, will keep coming to back to you, and it will continue to become harder and harder. So if we fail in this test is going to come in our life again and again. And next time when it is going to come, it is going to be more and more harder. So don't afraid. So why not this time solve this test apart from solving it next time, friends, right? Be positive and have faith in God. Pray. Ask God to give you strength and wisdom. So, friend, this is a very important statement. We should always be positive, have faith in God, and ask God to give us wisdom. And God will definitely give us wisdom. And these issues, whatever we are facing in our life, this issue will completely get sorted, friends. Okay. So, this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. Try not to add more karma. Act wisely. Remember that even the smallest sin has to be accounted for. So try to act no more negative karma in your life, because always remember, even a smallest sin also have to account it. That sin also you have to pay off under each and every circumstances. So do not try to do negative karma. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagari. Just as the smallest drop in the ocean helps from the whole, so it is with karma. The smallest action, good or bad, has consequences. So it is said that even our ocean is filled with drops, and drop fills up ocean. In the same way, our each and every karma, which is good or bad, it creates our destiny. So we should always think doing negative karma 100 times before doing it 1,000 times. Never do it always, because all the karma is going to have the consequences. So never do it, friends. Okay, do not compare journey. Never question why you are experiencing pain and someone else is not. So never question your journey. Never question why you are experiencing pain and why someone else is not experiencing, because you have selected this pain in the spirit world for your spiritual growth. So you're expecting this. Another person have not selected this problem. They are not they are not expecting this. So always never question on anybody's spiritual journey. That itself is wrong thought and will prevent you from growing. So if we try to compare everybody, that he is like this, she is like this, and it will stop us from our spiritual growth. So we should never question about that thing, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. Control the physical mind and listen to the subconscious mind. It stays calm during a calamity and will guide you. So, control your physical mind, control your conscious mind, and always listen to your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind is always going to give you the right decision whenever you are in problem. So, always try to take guidance from your subconscious mind apart from taking guidance from your subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Khurshid Bhavnagri. Never blame other for the thing that happened in your life. You must take your responsibility. You must take responsibility for your life. So never blame anybody. Don't do this blame game. Never blame anybody that in my life this situation is happening for that person. This situation is happening for that person. Always remember, take each and every responsibility of your karma, because whatever is happening in your life, it is only you are responsible for that, and you should take responsibility for each and every karma in your life, friends. Okay. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagari. You can change anytime you want to. Most people are weak because they choose to be. So you can change at any point of time you want to. Most people are unable to change because they are weak, right? So they are unable to change. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Question Bhavnagri. Even when you are in trouble or experiencing pain, try to help someone else through small act of kindness. So, when Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri that whenever you are in pain, whenever you are in sorrow, try to help other soul to come out of pain, to come out of sorrow. This Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshal Bhavnagri. This change of focus will help you make sure your motive is pure when you help others. So this change is going to help in your focus, and you should always help, and your intention should be clear in helping others. You should not, it should be a selfless motive, not a selfish motive in helping other soul, friends. Okay, so this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Koshan Bhavnagri. God gave you the strength to go through your own problem more easily, and you also get blessing from the people you help. So God gave us the opportunity to go through to and take blessing from other people when you are in sorrow. So, but the intention is only should be a selfless, not a selfish motive, friends. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via question Bhavnagri. Take action, do your best, and leave the rest to God. You should take action, do your best, and leave everything to God. Okay, so your every problem will be solved. So this Vipsi and Ratu is telling to us via Kaushal Bhavnagri. So friends, today's this topic came to an end. Today's topic was how does a person pay off their karma on the earth. So this was today's topic. In our next topic, we are going to cover, are testing and training the same as your karma. So this is going to be the next topic, friends. So, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video, so you can understand it in a better way, friends. Okay, and friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise, you will understand in a better way, apart from seeing 18 video, 24 video, 86 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I see to each and every comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And if you want, you can directly connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHAR 1906. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, this brings to ends in today's video, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and stay blessed. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, take care, friends. Okay. Goodbye. Have a nice day. And one day we'll definitely meet in the spirit world, and you will say, I used to see your videos, and today we all are in the spirit world. Let's make this beautiful earth as a heaven, and definitely let's do good karma, and one day we will going to definitely come in the spirit world in the higher realm. Okay, friends, goodbye. I will be meeting in the next video.